I am Kushal. Today's subject is mathematics for third sem for EC stream. Today we're gonna discuss about application for Fourier series in digital signal process. Let's let's see about application of Fourier series in digital signal process. Contents: Introduction to Fourier series in digital signal process. Second one, Fourier series representation. Third one, frequency domain analysis. Fourth one, Fourier series in a digital signal process. Fifth one, filtering. And sixth one, modulation and demolition. Seventh one, spectral analysis. And eighth one, signal reconstruction. And finally, conclusion. Let's start from introduction to Fourier series in digital signal process. Introduction to Fourier series in a digital signal process. Fourier series is a mathematical tool used in a digital signal process, and it allows us to compose a periodic signal into a sum of sine and cosine function. By analysis the frequency content of a signal, we can manipulate and process it efficiently. Next, second step, Fourier series representation. Fourier series representation is a periodic function as an infinite sum of sine and cosine terms. Next, it provides a way to express any periodic functions in terms of harmonic components. Next, it coefficients of the sine and cosine term determined at the amplitude and phase of each harmonics. Next, third one, frequency domain analysis. Fourier series analysis help us understand the frequency content of a signal. By examining the amplitude and the phase of the harmonic components, we can't identify dominant frequency. This analysis is crucial in applications such as audio processing, image compression, and data transmutation. Next, Fourier series in a digital signal process. In a DSP, digital signal process, Fourier series is used to analyze and manipulating discrete time signals. Next, discrete Fourier transformation (DFT) is employed to convert a discrete time signal into its frequency domain representation. Then this allows us to perform operations such as filtering, modulation, and demodulation in the frequency domain. Filtering. Fourier series aids in designing and implementation digital fiber. By analyzing the frequency content of a signal, we can selectively remove or emphasize scientific frequency. This is essential in applications like noise reduction, equalization, and audio effects. Here we can see about the picture: spectral domain, F and F inverse, frequency domain, in frequency domain complex numbers, and filter. Then next, power spectrum. We can see in the picture also. Next, modulation and demolition. Then Fourier series plays a crucial role in a modulation and demolition of signals. By modulating a signal with a carrier frequency, we can transmit it efficiency over long distance. Then demolition used to Fourier series techniques allow us to recover the original signal from the modulation waveform. Here we can see amplitude modulation waveform and amplitude modulation wave signals, message signal and also a signal, and carrier signal also. You can see in the picture. Then next one, spatial analysis. Fourier series enables spatial analysis of a signal. By examining the frequency components of a signal, we can extract valuable information. Next, spatial analysis is used in applications like speech recognition, image processing, and biomedical signal analysis. Then here we can see the Fourier synthesis formula. F of t is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation of n is equal to 1 by n an of cos 2 pi n theta nt divided by t plus summation of n is equal to 1 by n bn of sin 2 pi nt by t. This is the formula for synthesis, Fourier synthesis. Next, we can see the 2 pi by t formula. F of t is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation of n is equal to 1 by n an of cos n omega t omega naught by t plus summation of n is equal to 1 n bn sin n omega t. Next one, signal reconstruction. Fourier series provides a means to reconstruction a signal from its frequency domain representation by synthesizing the harmonic components using the Fourier coefficients. We can reconnect the original signals. This is essential in application like audio playback, imaging, and signal reconstruction. We can see in the picture also signal recovery. Then next one, fast Fourier transformation. The fast Fourier transformation (FFT) algorithm is widely used for efficient complementation of the Fourier series. It reduces the complemental complex for O n into 2 n power 2 to 0 n log n, where n is the number of samples. The fast Fourier transform is a revolutionized digital signal processing by enable real-time analysis and process of signals. Here we can see in the picture how the fast Fourier transforming the waveform. Then next, finally, conclusion. Fourier series is a powerful mathematical tool in the digital signal process, and it allows us to analyze the manipulate and process signal in the frequency domain. The application of Fourier series in DSP range from filtering and modulating to spatial analysis and signal recognition. Here we can see the formulas of some formulas of Fourier series like omega naught is equal to 2 pi by t, and synthesis like we can see formulas. Next, thank you.